I got a blue balloon.
A blue balloon?
We got blue, Daddy.
You popped yours though, huh?
We got cars.
In your hand?
Yeah, right there.
Show me. Show Daddy.
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
We got cars.
Show him. Pick him up and show him.
What cars? What cars?
Do you miss Daddy?
Where's Daddy? What is? No, take a picture.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm videotaping you.
Oh,
Okay. Alright. Ready?
Take it.
Okay. Say, we miss you, Daddy.
I miss you, Daddy. I miss you, Daddy.
And say good luck tonight.
Daddy. Hey, good luck tonight.
Tell Daddy good luck, Maddox. Say good luck, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, okay. Say I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Is there anything else you want to tell Daddy?
Yep.
Tell him.
Bye, Daddy. I miss you.
And what are you drinking?
Pop.
You want to show Daddy?
Yeah.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Good luck tonight.
Good night.
What's Daddy doing?
I'm a sucker.
Where's Daddy at?
Baby, what Popeye?
You already said you went bye-bye? What is he doing?
He played ball.
He's
Dad got it. He ball.
Oh.
What? See?
Is that Daddy?
Yep. With us. See? With
Yeah.
Daddy. No, that matches.
That's a monster?
Yeah. But there's a ball. There's him there.
Oh.
Yeah. It's Captain. What? See? It's Captain.
You like that one, huh?
He got Popeye.
He went bye-bye?
Yeah. He got Popeye. He cars.
Oh.
Yeah. He got Charlie.
Oh, can you put that back now? Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Is that T? Can you say hi to Daddy? Say good luck, Daddy. We love you. We miss you.